గ్రూప్లో పెట్టేసాను మ్యాథ్స్ కూడా లైవ్లో అని. Good evening everyone, welcome to this session. Just waiting for others also to join. Hello everyone, if you can see and hear me, give a shout out in the comments. Welcome everyone to this session. Good evening, welcome. I'm just going to wait for another couple of minutes and then start our session. Just waiting for everybody to join and settle in. Krishna, mere link amma. Mere link, mali paata link పంపించావు groups లో. Sandeep ki cheppu sir groups lo పంపి. Yeah, I think now I can see the all of you. Okay, so can I have some comments please everyone? All right, welcome everybody to our daily classes series. I think some of you would have already seen our morning class where circles was discussed. Right now 2 sessions are going on parallelly. One is a maths class now which I will be taking up, and for the benefit of the biology students who are preparing for NEET and Eamcet by PC, you have a biology session which is being handled by Vaishali ma'am as well. So I welcome all of you, and if you can comment, I know that you have joined. Can I have some quick comments, everybody? So I hope all of you are excited for this session. Very important session today because I am going to cover differentiation today. And before going to the topic, I just want to give you the schedule. This is the daily live sessions series started by Spark Academy, where you will be having access to daily live classes, doubt clarification session. In our app, regularly free material will be uploaded. Tips and tricks and previous year questions will also be discussed, as you will be seeing today. And if you want to seek admission in our institute, we have short-term crash course and regular admissions open right now. So this is the schedule. So I've already shared the schedule in the YouTube community section, so all of you can have a look at it. So the class timings daily are 11 to 12, 5 to 6 in the evening, and 6 to 7. These are the timings every day, Monday to Friday. And every Saturday, if there are any latest updates or important information regarding the preponement, postponement of the exam dates, exam fees, cutoffs, strategies, etc., will happen on a Saturday. All right. So today we are going to discuss about differentiation. I am Yashasvi Santosh. I am the director of Spark Academy. I also handle mathematics. So I'll be helping you out with a lot of interesting videos, interesting topics, and we'll be seeing tips, tricks, we'll be seeing various strategies to deal with mathematics part specifically. So today we are going to see differentiation, and in case you are buying any course from our app, you can use the coupon code YAS10. So you'll get a 10% flat discount on the courses. So we are going to see differentiation keeping in view the JEE, upcoming JEE exam, as well as the TS Eamcet and the AP EPSET examinations. So for the session plan, as you all know, since we are discussing differentiation today, very important topic, you can expect 1 to 2 questions directly only differentiation topic for your JEE examination, and for your Eamcet examination 3 to 4 questions for your Eamcet examinations. This is directly you can expect these. But indirectly, because differentiation forms the base of calculus, you can expect lot of questions in integration, limits, differential equations, which is solely based on differentiation topic alone. So this forms a very important base for your competitive exams, especially in calculus part. As I keep reiterating in all the videos, calculus part is almost 30 to 35% of any competitive exam. For example, if you take the Eamcet paper, 20 to 25 questions you can expect from calculus alone. If you take the Jee Mains exam, out of 30 questions, 10 questions you can expect from calculus. So I hope you understand the significance of this, and today's lecture I'm sure will benefit you in a long way in mastering calculus topic. And we are going to see the basics, we are going to see a couple of tricks as well as couple of methods, and then we'll do some previous year JEE questions which I collated for today. We'll also have more sessions where we'll discuss the previous Eamcet questions as well. So I hope all of you are ready for the sessions. Very good evening, Ashwita. A very good evening to again all of you. So we are about to start the differentiation topic. I hope all of you are ready for the same, and we are going to start it right now. Alright, so few fundamentals before we start off. Guys, all of you I think know few fundamental differentiation formulas: derivative of x power n, n into x power n minus 1, e power x, a power x is a power x log a, log x is 1 by x, derivative of sine is cos, cos is minus sine, tan is secant square, cot cosecant minus cosecant square, secant is secant x tan x, cosecant is minus cosecant x cot x. You can go through it for a couple of minutes. You can just revise the formulas. I've put it on board. So these are all the fundamental differentiation concepts, and of course couple of rules for addition and subtraction. You can directly split, separate and differentiate. For multiplication, we can use uv rule, d by dx of uv, u dv by dx plus v du by dx. And division, we can use u by v rule, v du by dx minus u dv by dx whole divided by v square. So these are the basics, these are the fundamentals of differentiation. So these three rules along with few basic formulas, you need a base. I hope so far so good, everybody. All of you, I hope all of you are following this. Everyone? So I want some comments. Only if you interact, you'll enjoy the session, and I'll also know if you're following or not. Since we are dealing with an important topic, I want some participation, please. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division along with the basics. We'll move now to the first method or trick. If you have something like a d by dx of 2x plus 5 by 3x plus 8, generally the actual method to do this is, first you need to identify which rule it is following. So we are observing that this is like a u by v rule format. So a u by v rule is d by dx of u by v, which is v into du by dx plus u minus u into dv by dx whole divided by v square. So this part is like your u, this part is like v. We substitute in this simplify, but it takes a lot of time, correct? So there should be a simpler way of solving this. So how do we solve these kind of questions in a very simple way? What you can do is just highlight the coefficient of x. This one, this one, this one. Whatever are our numeric values, I am highlighting. And cross multiply this 2 with 8. So we will be getting 2 into 8 minus multiply this 5 with 3 whole divided by denominator is 3x plus 8 whole square into, now you are observing numerator and denominator, the function which we are observing is x. So into, just directly differentiate x. So derivative of x is 1. 8 into 2 16. 5 into 3 15. 16 minus 15 is 1 by 3x plus 8 whole square. This is the first and most important trick of differentiation. Or in simple terms, if you have an expression like derivative of a into f of x plus b by c into f of x plus b, I can simply write that as a into d minus b into c whole divided by denominator term whole square into derivative of f of x, which is f dash of x. This is what is mentioned here, but I have shown it to you again. So any question, numerator, denominator, having the same function, we can use AD minus BC by denominator whole square into derivative of whatever function is there. Is it clear, everybody? All of you, please. Are you all clear? Those of you who have joined, I want some answers, please. Everyone? So this is how we can use, instead of u by v, this part, which was the first trick which I discussed. If you have a f of x plus b, c f of x plus d, simply highlight a, b, c, d, a into d minus b into c whole divided by denominator whole square into f dash of x. Very simple, guys. Now we'll move on. We will do the second trick. Now the second trick, suppose if you have a question like root of sin x plus under root of sin x plus under root of sin x up to so on infinity. If you have a question like this and they call it y, how do you find out dy by dx? For this the process is simple. Denominator always will be 2y minus 1. All you need to do is identify the function. Everywhere it is sin x. The numerator is just derivative of whatever function you are observing. Derivative of sin x. So derivative of sin x is cos x whole divided by 2y minus 1. That's your final answer. That's all, guys. That's all. So basically if you have f of x plus root of f of x up to solve infinity, dy by dx is nothing but derivative of f of x, which is f dash of x, whole divided by 2y minus 1. So instead of f of x you have sin x, you have to derivate sin x. If you have e power x, you have to derivate e power x. If you have tan x, you have to derivate tan x. If you have log x, you have to derivate log x. So I hope this method is also clear to everybody. All of you, please. So this is your trick to under root of f of x plus under root of f of x up to solve infinity. Dy by dx you can write it as f dash of x by 2y minus 1. Now we will talk about some important methods. I told you I will discuss a couple of methods, and after that we will do some problems. We are coming to the main part. So now methods. The first one is parametric type. So suppose if you have y as a function of t, x also as a function of t, how do you find out dy by dx? Very simple. The logic is y is in terms of a parameter t, x is also in terms of a same parameter t. The functions are different, correct? The expressions are different. So dy by dx will basically be dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt, please. What does it mean? The y part, first you need to differentiate with t whole divided by the x part you are differentiating with t. Is it clear, everybody? I want some comments, please. Everyone? Yeah, so this is called the parametric type of differentiation, folks. This is called the parametric differentiation. Okay, great, Sushmita. Now we'll do the final method today, which is by partial derivative. So whenever you have a function of both x and y equal to c, so whenever you have more than one variable, this is called as an implicit function. Now if you want to differentiate this, basically you have a trick which is dy by dx, you can write it as minus dou f by dou x whole divided by dou f by dou y. So dou f by dou x means the partial derivative of the function f with respect to x, and dou f by dou y means the partial derivative of the function f with respect to y. What do you mean by partial differentiation? So suppose if you have dou by dou x of some x square y square, basically what we need to do is, since we are considering partial, we are partial towards the variable x, only the x part you need to differentiate. The y part or the other variable is treated as a constant, guys. So this I can put across. We know that in differentiation, if you have constant and variable, the constant always comes out. So this will be y square into d by dx of x square. So this will be y square into derivative of x square is nothing but 2x. So the final answer will be 2xy square. Is it clear, everybody, please? So in total derivative we use UV form. But in partial derivative, if it is with respect to x, we are only differentiating the x part. If it is with respect to y, we are only differentiating the y part. X part we are keeping it constant. Yes, so this is about your partial derivative concept. So any differentiation of an implicit function can be done by partial derivatives. So I hope all of you are following it, please. Everyone? I'll of course be sharing this file in our Telegram group, across our WhatsApp groups. You'll also find this in our app as well, so you can go through it. So this is our method 2. So we discussed 2 tricks, we discussed 2 methods. So this is our Spark Academy app, guys. So you can download our app, all the new students, you can download our app. Once you download our app, you will be able to find the study materials, free tests. As I told you, all the handwritten notes, study materials, previous year questions and few mock tests will be shared. There's a contact us option as well where you can contact us. And the best feature of our app is below you will be able to find a chat option. So in that chat, if you have any doubts in your academics or related to exams or anything with regards to JEE, Eamcet, NEET preparation or your board's preparation, you can just drop a message in our chat and we'll be answering your query within 24 hours. Now this is our Spark Academy store. So once you download our app, you'll be finding our Spark Academy store where you have all our courses available to you. And once you select the course, you can actually avail, we have a coupon option. So YAS10 is the coupon code which you can use to avail discounts. And if you are looking for classroom coaching, we have that provision as well. We have 2 branches in Narayanguda, Medipattam. A lot of the students after last few YouTube sessions have been asking us about classroom coaching. If you need any information, you can contact any of the numbers which are given below. Right? You can note down and contact us, or you can download our app and drop a message. We'll be more than happy to help you. So right now we have short-term coaching as well as regular coaching. Short-term coaching is for repeaters or those who want classes in the morning, those who are not going to any school, college or any coaching institute. The timings are 10 to 4 and the regular coaching evening is for 12th or 11th students who are already going to a college or a school or a coaching institute. So for you the classes are from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. And coming soon we have a crash course. So we are the top institute in terms of conducting crash course over last few years. So this is also coming soon. So if you need any information regarding the crash course, so this will be after your board exams, after your CBSE board as well as Telangana and Andhra board exams, you will be having the crash course. So again, for all this, you can contact the numbers given below. You can either call or WhatsApp. We'll be more than happy to help you. Now the same, whatever courses we are offering offline, we are offering online as well. As I told you, you can apply the coupon code during the checkout and you will get a great discount for the same. So in our classes, you will be able to see daily, live and on-demand sessions, recorded classes, live classes, and you will be able to see assignments. Daily we will be giving you assignments, tests, detailed analysis of the tests. So these are methodology. We teach right from basics, shortcuts, every model. Like in our YouTube classes, we only discuss few models and few important concepts. But in the class, we go at a very, greater depth so that you're all comfortable attempting various types of questions. And we have weekend tests, grand tests as well. And we'll help you with the test paper analysis and doubts. So why you have to choose Spark Academies? We have highly experienced faculty, personalized coaching. We believe in the process, result will automatically come, and we have personal mentoring and doubt clarification. We have a very limited batch size. So for our classroom, we take 25 to 35, up to 35 only we take in a batch. So that's about the Spark Academy. So basically if you opt for the classroom program, you get access to our online program as well. So apart from classroom, you also get online access, but that's not the case with the online coaching program. You only get access to online, but the other aspects like online study material, weekly tests, grand tests, doubt clarification are available both. So even if you take online coaching, if you want to come weekly once and get your doubts clarified, that is also possible. So these are about our programs. Now let us get into the questions. The most important part of today's session. We have discussed few shortcuts, we have discussed few methods. Now let's dive deep straight into the questions. I have picked up a few previous JEE questions and I'll show you how to solve them. The first question, x is equal to 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta, y equals to 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta. They are asking you d square y by dx square. Now the first observation here is, this is in terms of theta, this also in terms of theta. What does it mean? This means that this is the parametric form. So dy by dx will be nothing but dy by d theta by dx by d theta, which we have already seen, dy by dt dx by dt. Instead of t you have theta. So d by d theta of y, what is y part? 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta. This is d by d theta of 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Now this is like addition subtraction. I told you for addition subtraction you can split and simplify. So let's have a look at dy by dx. So what is happening now? This is 2 times derivative of cos is nothing but minus sin theta minus, again derivative of cos is minus sin theta, but inside you have a 2, so that is a constant, so that 2 will also come out. Same logic for the denominator, 2 times derivative of sin theta we know cos theta minus derivative of sin 2 theta is cos 2 theta into 2. So this is my dy by dx. So basically this is our dy by d theta portion. This is the dx by d theta portion. Till here clear everybody please? All of you? Hello Neetu, basically whatever topics have been deleted for your board, the same topics have been deleted for your Eamcet exam. We have shared that in our Telegram group. So if you join our Telegram group, you will be able to find the deleted syllabus as well. We shared it few days back. If you want, we will share it again today. So far we have done dy by d theta, dx by d theta. Now if you simplify this, what will happen? 2 will get cancelled. Minus into minus will be plus. So we are eventually now getting the value as minus 2 sin theta. Okay, 2 is gone already. Minus sin theta plus sin 2 theta whole divided by cos theta minus cos 2 theta. This is my dy by dx. Now you are asked to find out d square y by dx square. That means they are asking you to do the second derivative, please. Everyone. They are asking you to do the second derivative. So this part I will differentiate again. So d by dx of dy by dx will be d by dx of, what was the previous one? Minus sin theta plus sin 2 theta whole divided by cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Now observe, this is x but this is theta. So first I can use u by v rule, which will be denominator whole square, cos theta minus cos 2 theta whole square, v into, that is cos theta minus cos 2 theta, into d by dx of u is minus sin theta plus sin 2 theta, minus u into, which is minus sin theta plus sin 2 theta, into d by dx of cos theta minus cos 2 theta. So if you do this, you are getting cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Derivative of sine is cos. Derivative of sine 2 theta is cos 2 theta into 2. I explained you that logic. Minus, this is minus sine theta plus sine 2 theta. Derivative of cos is minus sine theta. Derivative of cos again minus of minus, so this will be sine 2 theta into 2 whole divided by cos theta minus cos 2 theta whole square. Now you have to be careful everybody. Why? Because here we have a d by dx. Here though we differentiated the theta parts. But this d by dx is not yet covered, no? So that is why this will be whole into dx by d theta, guys. That is because we are differentiating with x and these are all thetas. So basically now we just found out dx by d theta is this. That is 2 cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. So d theta by dx is reverse of this. So 1 by 2 cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. So this part I have to substitute here, then I get a big expression, and finally they say theta 180 degrees. The advantage of theta 180 is, so if theta is 180 degrees, we know sin 180 0, cos 180 minus 1. Correct? And cos 360 is plus 1. So you need to substitute it everywhere, and simplify, including this part where you wrote it here, you will get the answer. Is it clear? So most of the students, they know second derivative, but they forget to mention this part, this. So I think simplification part you can do it. After you do it, come back to the video, draw which option is the answer. For example, first if you think third option, you just type option 3. So I am leaving the simplification part for you. So I hope all of you have understood this. So first derivative we have done by using the parametric form. Second derivative we also considered dx by d theta. Now look at this second one. Second one is interesting because this will be the third property, the last property which we will discuss. The derivative of, so that means d by dx of f of x plus d by dx of f of x whole square. Now for these type of derivatives, this is a function inside a function inside a function. So we have to use internal differentiation concept. The concept is simple, so please listen to me carefully. Start giving numbers. F will be 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 functions inside each other. So first one I am giving 1, second one I am giving 2, third one I am giving 3. Now this is a function whole square. So whole square part I am giving 1. F of x part I am giving 2. Now let's differentiate. So you have to derive it number by number. So if you are differentiating the first number, the second and third keep it as it is. So I'll show you how we do that. So first part I am differentiating. Derivative of f, you know, f dash. The 2 and 3 part you shouldn't touch. So I am writing it as f of x. Into, so first part is done. Now we do the second part. Second part derivative of f is f dash. So since we are differentiating second part, third part keep it inside as it is. So second part also done. Now finally first two parts are done. The third part is f dash of x. Plus this is like x power n, so I can write 2 times f of x. So first part done. Second part is inside part, derivative of f of x is f dash of x. This is the expression which we got. Now they are saying at x equal to 1. So let's give x value 1. What will happen? F dash of, so let's see it here itself. This is f of 1. What is f of 1 given as 1? So this part is 1. So this is f of 1 again. What is f of 1 again? Again 1. So the first term here is f dash of 1. Now let's do it again. Instead of x, give 1. What is f of 1? Again 1. So this part is 1. F dash of 1. So here we have f dash of 1. What about this case? This is again f dash of x value 1. So again we are getting f dash of 1. Plus 2 times, what is this now? F of 1. This is f dash of 1. Now substitute f dash of 1, you know it as 3. So 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. F of 1 is 1. So this is gone. 2 times f dash of 1. F dash of 1 is again 3. 3, 1, 2. 2 into 3 into 1. This is 3 into 3 into 3, right? 2 into 3 is 6. 27 plus 6. 33. First option. Is it clear, everybody? So the simplest way is giving numbers 1, 2, 3, differentiate number by number. First derivative of f, f dash. Then again f dash. Then again f dash. Inside terms keep it. After differentiating, we are substituting x equal to 1. If you do that, we get the answer. So you can have a look, everybody. Is it clear? Can I have some comments, please? This you can see, this was asked in JEE 2019. So that is about the second. Third, now you can try homework. Very simple. X is 3 tan theta, y is 3 secant theta, d square y by dx square. This is similar to first. So first you do dy by dx, which is dy by dt, dx by dt. Next you have to do d square y by dx square. So which will be d by dx of dy by dx. So this will be this part derivative into dx by dt. Don't forget this. And at the end, substitute t value 45 degrees. Pi by 4 is 45, right? At the end, substitute t value 45 degrees. So this is how easy it is. You can try homework, third question, and let me know the answer in the comments. Fourth question, derivative of a function with respect to another. Now I will introduce you slightly to inverse trigonometry. Basically, you have a formula which is tan inverse x plus y, or x minus y by 1 plus xy. That is the formula of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So basically, first we will see what is with respect to mean. With respect to means that you have to do d by dx of tan inverse of sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x all divided by d by dx of x by 2. So first function derivative whole divided by second function derivative. Now I will try to convert to this form. If you have to convert to this form, you know that this term has to be made 1. So how do you make this term as 1? You have to divide by sin x everywhere. So let's do that. Sin x cancel, sin x cancel. What are we getting? Tan inverse of 1 cos by sin is cot x by 1 plus cot x. So can I call this as x, guys? Can I call this y? So this I can write 1 into cot x. So this will be x into y. So this expression now becomes d by dx of tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse of cot x whole divided by derivative of x by 2, you know 1 by 2. Now derivative of tan inverse 1, this is a number, right? Derivative of a number or a constant is 0. Now how do you write a cot? Cot can I write tan of pi by 2 minus x, everybody? So this becomes derivative of a constant is 0, tan inverse tan will get cancelled. So derivative of minus, derivative of pi by 2 is 0, derivative of x 1, but you have a negative sign, whole divided by 1 by 2, 1 by 2 goes up, 2 times minus of minus is plus, 2 into 1, answer will be 2, which is fourth option. So I am using this simple inverse trigonometry formula to split the expression. I have done that by dividing sin x in numerator and denominator, and then I have split it up. This is a number, this is like a constant, derivative of constant 0. Then I have written cot, you can write it in terms of tan, correct? Cot is tan of pi by 2 minus x. So tan inverse tan also got cancelled, minus of minus was plus, so then you differentiated. So answer was 2. Very simple. So with respect to means, first differentiate the first function, whole divided by differentiate the second function. Fourth question. Now fifth question, you have to find out dy by dx at x equal to e. So firstly what I can do is, I will differentiate on both these sides. D by dx of this is equal to d by dx of this. Now let's do it. So if you have to differentiate this is like UV rule, correct? So how do you get this? X into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of x. First part differentiated, minus derivative of x square is nothing but 2 into x plus derivative of y square will be nothing but 2y dy by dx. Same logic is implicit because the variable is y, but we want to differentiate with x. So derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx we get. Now observe, we only need to differentiate this part and this part. Derivative of x, you know 1. Now how do you differentiate this? We just saw it. Log and log, 2 times they are there. So I will give it number 1, number 2. So first part will be derivative of log is 1 by something. I told you inside term you have to keep it same, that something is nothing but log x. That is the first part. Into, now first part done, derivative of log x is again 1 by x. Plus this is log of log x. Minus 2x. This I can write it as minus 2y dy by dx. So now x cancels. Now they are saying x value is nothing but e. So what happens when x value is e, guys? Let's substitute in the question first. What is happening here? If x value is e, e into log of log e. Log e base e will get cancelled, so this part is 1. Log 1 is nothing but 0, so the first part is 0. Minus this is e square plus y square, that is equal to 4. So y square is nothing but 4 plus e square. So y square is 4 plus e square. So y will be under root of 4 plus e square. Y value I don't know. So let's substitute. X value e, so log e value will be 1 plus log of log x. Log e value 1, log 1 is nothing but 0. Minus 2 times x value e again. This is equal to 2 times y is under root of 4 plus e square into dy by dx with a negative sign, of course. So 1 minus 2e whole divided by negative, I will take it here, 2 times under root of 4 plus e square, or 2e minus 1 by 2 times 4 under root of 4 plus e square. Second option is our answer. So again we are using internal differentiation to get the final answer for this. I hope this is clear. Always you can come back to the video once the session is done and you can go through it again step by step. You can pause it wherever you are getting a doubt and look at it. I hope this is clear to everybody. Alright, moving on. Sixth question. Tan inverse under root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x with respect to tan inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square by 1 minus 2x square. So this is again inverse formula. This is the formula for half tan inverse x guys. This is the formula for 2 tan inverse x. So basically we need to do d by dx of half tan inverse x whole divided by d by dx of 2 tan inverse x. So half by 2. Derivative of tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square. This is also 1 by 1 plus x square. This is what we are having. So 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancelled. So you can just check just a second. This is half tan inverse x. This is 2 tan inverse x. I think this one we'll try to derive. Basically, if you give x value as this is half tan inverse x. Okay, we'll just check it once. Let's check. Here, what I will do is x equals to tan theta. I will give. What will happen? Tan inverse under root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Under root of secant square theta is nothing but secant theta. So this is secant theta minus 1 whole divided by tan theta. So this will be tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So 1 minus cos theta, again you write it as 2 sin square theta by 2. This is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 cancelled, sin square cancelled, sin by cos is tan. So this will be half tan inverse x. Now if you take this x as sine theta in this expression, you will get tan inverse 2 sine theta, under root of 1 minus sine square theta is cos square, root is cos, 1 minus 2 cos square theta, 1 minus 2 sine square theta, 1 minus 2 sine square theta is cos 2 theta, 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta, this is cos 2 theta, tan inverse. So this is tan inverse tan 2 theta. So this will be 2 theta, theta is sine inverse of x. So this is 2 sine inverse x. My bad, I told you this was 2 tan inverse x, this is actually 2 sine inverse x. So this is 2 sine inverse x. Now you have to do d by dx of half tan inverse x all divided by d by dx of 2 sine inverse x. So this is half times derivative of tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x. 2 times derivative of sine inverse 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. So this goes up, this goes down, 1 by 4 under root of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Now they have given x value half, so you can substitute that 1 by 4 into under root of 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 4 into under root of 3 by 4 by 5 by 4, 4 cancel, root 3 by, root 4 is nothing but 2, 5 as it is, root 3 by 10. Second option is, so this is a derivative of it, but the standard formula is, if you have tan inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square by 1 minus 2x square, that is 2 sine inverse x formula. If you have tan inverse under root of 1 minus x square by x, half tan inverse x formula. So half tan inverse x, 2 sine inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse we know, derivative of sine inverse we know. Finally I am substituting x value as half. Is it clear? Everybody please. So these are 6 questions. Very simple again, with respect to type. So first function you are differentiating, and then you are differentiating the second function. Now finally we are given limit x tends to a, x into f of a minus a into f of x by x minus a. Now if you substitute a, what will happen? It's a limit, right? Limit means what? Instead of x you need to substitute. This is a into f of a minus a into f of a, both cancelled, so 0. This is a minus a, again 0. So whenever you get a 0 by 0 or 0 by infinity, infinity by 0, infinity by infinity, what you can do is, you can just differentiate the numerator d by dx of x into f of a minus a into f of x, and differentiate the denominator, which is x minus a. Now how do you differentiate this? F of a is a constant, derivative of x is 1, minus a into derivative of f of x is f dash of x. Of course, don't forget the limit. Limit is x tends to a. Denominator, derivative of x is 1, derivative of a is nothing but 0. Now instead of x, wherever x is there, substitute a. What are we getting now? We will get f of a minus a into f dash of a. What is f of a, guys? F of a is 4 minus a into f dash of a. F dash of a is nothing but 2. 4 minus 2a. 2020 JE paper. So whenever we get a 0 by 0, 0 by infinity, infinity by 0, infinity by infinity, we differentiate numerator and differentiate denominator and then substitute the limit. This is also called as L'Hospital rule. When we discuss limits, we will see this. Alright? So, you can join our Telegram group. All the updates are available there. So I've given some homework questions, so you can just check those couple of homework questions. You can just take screenshots, or when I share the PDF, you can go through it. 3 different type of questions I've given. And finally, you can just subscribe to our channel if you have feeling that these sessions are useful. So yeah, so this is about the differentiation today. So if you have any query, you can always contact the numbers given below or use our chat option. So yeah, that's it for today. So thank you. Thanks everyone for joining. We'll again come up with a new session soon. I think now you have physics YouTube session which is starting at 6 o'clock. Alright, thank you.